Okay, doing a sound test. Might not be able to hear me very well because I'm doing a sound test with a mic at a distance. I do a music test too. Anyway, that flag that you see, let's do a test. Okay, the flag that you see there is actually the anonymous flag from the 2016 Million Mask March. You can see the torn corner in the bottom left there if you find videos of it. That's the actual flag. Days before I was kidnapped and tortured for a year and shit like that. Anyway, do a sound test. I'll just do a music. I'll go close to it actually. This is up close. This is a couple of feet away. Okay, I'll just do a test. Volume's up about 3/4 of the way. Okay, that should do. The keys are a bit busted on this keyboard, so the sound's a bit off on it, but it should work. I'll just do a YouTube test.
Discovered what white politicians had known for a very long time. The race baiting could make up for a host of limitations. A steady attack on the white race, the constant recitation of black people's brutal experience in this country, served as the ballast that could prevent the ideas of personal and communal responsibility from tipping into an ocean of despair.
Okay. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up some ambient noise from the distance. Alright, I'm going to stop recording.